Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover SVR in Indus Silver. This car's previously had one owner and is next due for a service in March 2022. As you can see, you have 22-inch gloss black alloys along with a black contrasting roof and privacy glass that really gives the car a sporty appearance. A powered tailgate, which is perfect if you've got your hands full. And as you can see, you've got plenty of space in the boot. You do also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Going round towards the front and inside the car, you have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. Cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, which really does make parking and reversing so easy. You have heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. And you have ambient lighting with many different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark, and you can adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. You have controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, which is really helpful especially along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. You also have head-up display, enabling you to keep your eyes on the road. And you can adjust the brightness, the positioning, or the content that you want to see in front of you. And this car has done 13,079 miles. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning SVR. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.